Hi, I'm Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just purchased this yesterday. It was on sale for $19.99 at my local Lidl, whatever you want to say it. It's similar to an Aldi, but twice the size. Parkside belt sander, part number PBSZ 600A1. I'm going to rearrange the camera. I'm going to do a box opening, and then we're going to go outside and test it on a piece of wood. I do appreciate you being here. Well, folks, I got to admit something. This is the second time I've done this section of this video. Somehow in my editing process, I've lost this whole complete section. So anyway, I've already opened this box, I already used the machine, so let's do a quick review of what I've learned from it. This is the belt sander PBSZ 600A1. Sold by Parkside and purchased it from Lidl, L-I-D-L. Let's see here, let me turn this around here. Rated power consumption 5.2 amps. No load belt speed 557 to 820 feet a minute. Belt size 3 inches by 18 inches. Included accessories: 1 sanding belt, 1 dust collection container, 1 adapter for dust extraction, and 2 screw clamps. So, here we go. You can pause this video if you'd like to. Here is the tool itself. Right here. 3x18 belt on bottom. This is, pull this lever right here and the belt slides right off. On this side you have the tracking knob for the belt, which means if you turn it on and if the belt needs to be moved to one side or the other, just slightly turn this knob and the belt will move. Just turn it a little bit at a time, not very much. Okay, here you have the handle, which can be rotated. There we go, let me push that over there. It can be moved flat like this, or it can go in the 2 more positions. Well, it can go 1, 2, 3, 4 different positions. Tighten this back up. Here we have this part, which can be folded up. Well, this has to be in a different position. Let's put that straight up. Tighten that back up. And this part can be moved. And it's held in place. That way you can put a piece of wood right here at a 90-degree angle. Do some sanding on it. Or you can put a piece of wood like this, or like this, whichever you prefer. Thicker would be more preferable on this part, but anyway, nice little feature here. Here we have the on and off switch, and if you squeeze it and push this button right here, it'll hold it into the on position. So that's a great feature. Here we have a speed control. It goes from 6 all the way down to 1. So it's got 6 speeds. Now this is not really a rubber grip. It is plastic, but it is pretty comfortable. This tool itself, pretty well built, pretty sturdy tool. Really sturdy. On this side, we have a dust extractor. This is like a little container to hold the dust. And if you take this off, you can connect these two pieces right here to hold your vacuum cleaner. So I'm not going to take that off right now. It's pretty self-explanatory. I use this. I mean, I love that right there. It collects a lot of dust. Weight on this thing, probably about 4 pounds. So it's not too bad. One thing I did notice, the best use on this is just when you put it down, just let the weight of the tool itself do the sanding. Don't push down on it. Just the weight from the tool will be sufficient for this tool. Pretty nice. I like this. Has a 6-foot cord. Instruction manuals. And 2 clamps. You'll see later on what to do with these 2 clamps, but I'll show you real quick. These 2 holes that are right here. There's one here, and the other one is right here. You put these 2 clamps on, and you can clamp it down to your workbench. This has to be folded in the other direction. So yeah, you can put this down on your workbench, so this can be used as a sander right here for top sanding, or I guess you'd just call that, well, just call it sanding, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, pretty nice feature right here. I like this. You'll see in my video coming up how I use that. Pretty nice tool. Very nice tool. I'm impressed with it. It does a good job. Granted, it's not for everyday use. Just for a home do-it-yourselfer or hobbyist or whatever, I think this will be sufficient for those type people. Let's see here. The do's and don'ts. We pretty self-explanatory on that. Got this nice manual here, instruction manual, owner's manual, whichever way you want to put it. Written in English and in Spanish. So 3x18 belts, easily found at your favorite woodworking store. Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, whatever you like, Ace Hardware. These are very common to find. And of course you can use any grit that you can find, just so it's 3x18. Anyway, stay tuned and let's go outside and I'll give you a quick review on using this thing. So, final conclusion. For under 20 bucks, I don't think you can go wrong with this thing at all. It'd make a great gift for somebody. For the beginner woodworker, for the maybe for your wife too. Your wife might want to be getting into some woodworking. Girlfriend, boyfriend, it doesn't matter. Under 20 bucks, you can't go wrong. I would encourage you to go to lidl.com. That's Lidl.com. Sign up and get their newsletter. Next time one of these goes on sale, be on the lookout for it. I appreciate you being here today.